Here are top 5 AI cryptocurrencies to buy this bull run. Welcome to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today, we're talking about 5 AI crypto coins that could go absolutely ballistic. Why are we talking about AI crypto coins when the meme coins are going crazy? Because if you haven't been seeing what's going on in the market right now, AI seems to be everywhere. AI chatbots, AI assistants, AI softwares, AI applications. There's AI in the camera I'm using right now to adjust the autofocus. Let's try to... AI has been everywhere, and AI has been a crazy buzzword. And here's the thing. AI is going to take over in the crypto space as well. So let's cover 5 AI gems plus a bonus one. So without any further ado, let's take a look at what we have to work with. So first of all, guys, top artificial intelligence AI tokens by market capitalization is $55 billion. So they already capitalized in $55 billion. And here are some top movers on crypto.com. Artificial intelligence or AI coins refer to cryptocurrencies that are specifically developed to fuel AI-based projects, applications, and services such as decentralized AI marketplaces, AI-powered trading algorithms, AI-driven decentralization, autonomous organizations, and many others. These tokens serve as either a means of payment for transactions on the AI platforms or as a way of conferring governance rights to holders. Obviously, there's a lot of space for AI and crypto to work in harmony together, essentially. And today we're taking a look at top 5 coins in this space that are absolutely taking over the AI space right now. Like I said earlier in the video, guys, AI has been taking over the world. It seems like a buzzword almost, AI everything. And obviously crypto is about to take over the world as well. You take crypto, you take AI together, we're gonna see some solid 100x gains. All right, let's take a look at what's going on. So first coin on this list is Internet Computers ICP. This one's an interesting coin, guys, because when it just launched, it had crazy all-time highs of like $750. Since then, it's been seeing some red days. However, this bull market, we're seeing some recovery, up 42% on the month. $8 billion market cap, making this a top 18 coin on coin market cap. There's obviously some solid gains to be made in ICP. And let's take a look at what is ICP. Internet Computers Protocol is a computers on blockchain. The Internet Computers reinvents compute on blockchain, incorporating more than 1,000 years of R&D effort. Everything is now on chain, HTTP, data, compute, AI, your Web3 social network, your outer book exchange, full stack decentralization has arrived on a sovereign network that extends the internet. So Internet of Computers is a real world utility project, guys, that's been absolutely crushing the game, and you may want to add this to your watch list. Now, on to the next coin. That is Near Protocol. This one, guys, has been taking over the space. Looks like X really loves this project. And let's take a look at the price. So $7 billion market cap, making this a top 20 coin. We can see in terms of volume at 39, that's $343 million worth of volume, which is insane. Currently trading for $7.24 on the month. We are up a whopping 87%, which is absolutely solid for an altcoin, and in this case, an AI coin, right? That being said, I would position myself to enter on a red day. You might not want to buy this at the top. A lot of people make that mistake when they see a coin trending. They like to buy at the top, then it comes down and they sell. You want to get into these projects early. Talking about getting into the project early, guys, let's talk about Fivescape for a second. Your gateway to the next big thing of the decade, the world's first AR and VR ecosystem that connects the smartest minds together. So this is like an AR, VR cryptocurrency that's absolutely new. We're talking about new. We're talking about getting in early. This is your opportunity to get in early, guys, as this round is currently, the stage 3 of the pre-sale is ending in 3 days and 6 hours. They've already raised almost $3 million, which is absolutely insane. This is the current price. And guys, these AI coins, these VR coins, these AR coins are going to go absolutely insane. The total market supply for this token is 5.21 billion, and marketing cap at listing will be 15 million. We see beyond the boundaries of virtual infinity, unlock the limitless potential of the virtual realm with Fivescape, where immersive experiences refine boundaries and shape the future of entertainment and education. So looks like they're going to have games, and VR experiences, archery. So it looks like they're really going into the metaverse craze of things, which we saw very popular last bull run as well. And guys, we were talking about early just a second ago, and the reason why I had to bring up this project is you're getting it early. We have been seeing these pre-sale projects take off absolutely crazy, reaching upwards of 10 million, 50 million, and $100 million. This coin, specifically Fivescape, is still very early, less than $3 million raised, 3 3 days away till the next round. You might want to grab a bag of this one. I'm going to link Fivescape in the description below. Now let's go back to our list. We're talking about Near. What even is Near? Let's take a look on the website. Blockchain Abstract. Near is a blockchain abstract stack empowering builders to create apps and scale to billions of users across the blockchain. So building apps, being in the AI space, they're absolutely taking over the top 20 cryptocurrency. You're definitely going to want to add this to your list. Now the next coin. Number 3 on the list is Injective, currently trading at $38. This is on a more expensive price per coin side. However, they are not lagging. They got $3.5 billion in market cap, over $129 million in the past 24-hour volume, which is insane. Make it top 89 traded cryptocurrency. Like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, AI is taking over. All these coins we covered so far are top 5 across the globe on the entire coin market cap, not in the AI space, which is absolutely insane to think about. So keep that in mind. This coin's absolutely going ballistic. On the week, we're up only a 2% gain, which is nice. On the month, we're up, not even up. On the month, we're down. So this actually leaves them some space to make some profits. Guys, if you get into a coin that's up 80%, up 90%, when are you going to make your money? These people are going to sell at the top, causing you to lose your bag. Unless you're buying in long term, fair. But if you're trying to make a swing trade, a short-term trade, you're not going to make money buying on a plus 80 month, right? Yeah, you could if it continues to pump, but if it goes the other way, it's both sides, right? You gotta have these opinions and thought. That's why we're talking about Eightscape, where, you know, an early project. You want to get it early. We're talking about Injective. We're talking about getting it early, where you're getting a discount. You're buying it at negative, -8. So when the AI cryptos start to boom, when you start to hear about them in the news, you can make a solid bag off of this one. So something you might want to add to your watch list. Let's take a look at the website and see what this coin has to offer. The blockchain built for finance. Build and use the best Web3 applications on Injective, the fastest layer 1 blockchain, shaping the future of finance. And now, again, you add AI in the mix, you add finance in the mix, and we're seeing so many Web3 applications with paying with cryptocurrencies and Visa cards. So this is also a massive market to get into, guys. You're definitely gonna want to add Injective to your list. The next coin on the list is Render. This puppy is up 45% on the month. On the week, we're up at 3%, which is not too shabby. And on the year, up a whopping 800%. Render is becoming a leader in the space. It is a top 30 cryptocurrency, $4.2 billion market cap, over $300 million in past 24-hour volume. People are aping into this coin. And what is this project? Let's take a look. So Render Network provides near unlimited decentralized GPU computing power for the generation of 3D content creation. The Render Network is a first decentralized GPU rendering platform, empowering artists to scale GPU rendering work on demand to high performance GPU nodes around the world through blockchain marketing for idle GPU compute. The network provides artists the ability to scale next generation rendering work at fractions of the cost, at orders of magnitude, increasing its speed when compared to the centralized GPU cloud. So essentially, it's cloud GPU. You mix that with AI, you see where the world's shifting, guys. We are seeing some real world utility for this. Now, on to the last coin of the list. The last coin, number 5, is the Graph. So ticker symbol GRT. This one is a $3.8 million market cap, a number 36 coin on CoinMarketCap. We can see it is just been pumping as well. All these coins in the top 50, right? We're seeing a trend here, guys. These AI coins are going to absolutely explode. The Graph, let's take a look at what it has to offer. Build unstoppable applications, access the world's blockchain data. Build faster, spend less, increase resilience. Web3 powered by subgraphs. Tens of thousands of developers relying on the Graph to create best-in-class user experiences. Explore a rich ecosystem of community-created subgraphs, or build your own with the Graph. So you can see, guys, some real-world utility helping developers in the Web3 space. And right now, there hasn't been a better time for a company to help our creators to shift and shape the way this bull market's going to go. Guys, we've been seeing so many Web3 applications. We've been seeing so much use of AI in the real world, not just in the crypto world. These 5 coins have an insane amount of potential, especially our extra coin on the list, which was Fivescape, has a massive potential in the space. AI, VR, AR, all these buzzwords have a reason for the buzz, as this is the future and this is what the future is pushing towards. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Like always, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the cryptos we cover on this channel. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.